At the Plattekloof Lifestyle Estate, we have a variety of living options for both homes and apartments. We understand that people have individual preferences and it is never one size fits all. Our options range from assisted living apartments, large and small, to our independent living units where you can choose between an apartment or an independent living home. As beautiful as these homes may be, they are nothing without the people that call them home.
My name is Walter Snyman. We are just happy to have a beautiful place with a beautiful view. We're among beautiful people, so this is great to live here. We live in a 2-bedroom unit, and the one unit is the bedroom is open so that we could use it for multiple purposes, like a studio. And we use it for our music room with a grand piano. We have a view from the bedroom and the lounge and the balcony. We see the island. We see the sea, we see the mountain, the full mountain. We have a panoramic view, so we are so blessed, and that makes, a view is part of what you buy. As you get older, your needs change, and the need for space change, and that is why I think we are very comfortable and very honored to grow old in a state like this. We're so glad we chose the Plattekloof Lifestyle Estate because it meets all our needs. The quality of people that live here and the atmosphere is so great with the staff and everybody. You feel so relaxed, you feel at home, you feel you belong to a household. You don't just live here, and you feel part of it. And so that makes it so great.